Hi, welcome back to Axel Learning. If you're new here, welcome. We provide free access to math techniques, shortcuts, and many more. In today's video, we'll be learning how to multiply numbers using the grid method. In this example, 32 times 57. Step 1. Arrange the numbers as shown around a grid. So for 32, 3 is placed at the tens place and 2 is placed at the ones place. The same goes with 57. 5 is placed at the tens place and 7 at the ones. Step 2. Multiply each number down and across the grid. So for 3 at the tens place and 5 at the tens place, if we multiply, we get 1,500. That's 3 times 10 equals 30, and 5 times 10 equals 50, and 50 times 30 is 1,500. Continue with the rest of the numbers. So for 2 at the ones place and 5 at the tens place, we get 100. So 5 times 10 equals 50, and 2 times 1 equals 2, 50 times 2 equals 100. Then 3 at the tens place multiplied to 7 at the ones place. So we get 3 times 10, 30, times 7, which is 7 times 1, equals 210. And lastly, 2 at the ones place times 7 at the ones place, we get 14, because that's 2 times 7. Step 3, add all the products. So 1,500 plus 100 plus 210 plus 14, and we get 1,824. And that's the final answer. 32 times 57 equals 1,824. See how fun that was? Try it yourself. If you like this video, push the like button and subscribe for more math techniques.